In this video, I'm going to show you how to bait stamp in Nitro PDF Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the page layout tab up top, and from here it's going to say bates number, so just click on it up here, and it's going to pop up this bates numbering, and here you can basically first set your bates settings. So you have the prefix, start at, and then the suffix. So the prefix will, as you can see, go in front, and then the suffix will go at the very end. I'm going to leave this blank for now. Then you have the layout here. Basically, you can select where you want it to be. I'm just going to put this to the right hand side over here for this tutorial so you'll be able to see better. And then here, of course, you have the font. You can change style, you can change sizes, colors, rotation, opacity, etc. And then you also have the page range, so you can of course select to which page you want to add this. I'm going to do it to all pages starting from page 1, and of course to all of them. Of course, you could do just the first one, pages as well, like a page range, etc. And then here you can do of course whatever you want out of these two settings. Click on apply, and when you do that, as you can see, there we go, there we have the bait stamp on every single of our pages. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.